Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is going to be about the sunset eyes and really fresh, glowy looking skin. It's something I normally like to wear, like this type of, colors and lipsticks and everything. No more talking, just skip on the tutorial. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my eyes first, and I'm going to use my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in shade Custard. I'm going to apply that onto my eyelids. I'm allergic to springtime. I mean, I love spring, but unfortunately, I'm very allergic to everything, and that definitely shows on my eyes. So I really need to cover that with my concealer and create a good base for my eyeshadow to cancel out my darkness. Okay. Okay, so now we can move on to a palette. So today I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette. First, I'm grabbing this beige. It looks a little bit orange on the camera, but in person it's more like a warm tone nude beige color. So I'm just gonna apply it onto my outer V. This is my starting point. So yeah, as I go, I blend immediately, as you can see. Like, this is always my starting point. I always use shades like this. My suggestion would definitely be always start from really light, neutral kind of color, and then gradually start adding, darker shades and blend them as you go. Now I'm going in with this shade here, and I'm gonna concentrate onto my crease. This color is not that dark, so it won't show that much, but it's gonna give me that corally. See the difference? Like, it's giving me the corally vibes, which I'm going for. Okay, so now I'm taking this amazing corally brown kind of shade. I'm gonna deepen up my crease. It's so strange to film again because I feel like I have my schedule for the next few months. It's crazy. I'm actually traveling this week. Yes, I really wanted to film something for you before I go. I'm really trying, trust me. I'm really trying, but it's really hard when you work by yourself on everything. Yeah. I'm going back to my concealer. I'm taking some really pointy flat brush. Basically, I'm doing the cut crease. And then I'm just blending with my finger, like that. And I'm taking this really pretty, golden peach kind of shade. Okay. I'm already loving it. Pigmented. Love. Now I'm taking this shade here, which is a pretty pinky peach kind of shade, and I'm gonna go over this area here. Just see, I'm gonna connect the end and the middle so it doesn't look so harsh. And now I'm about to apply this yellow shade here in my inner dot. All out, but Voluminous Lash Paradise black liner. So let's put it on. Okay, so I'm starting from the middle and then going all the way to my inner corners, and then I'm gonna pull a thin line like so. I'm just filling in the line. Yeah, this is what I came up with, and now it's time for the lashes. So I was thinking about what kind of lashes should I put on, and I decided to take my own lashes, J Makeup with Lillylashes, and this is how they look like. They look pretty natural. People love them because they're so not so over the top. They're just so perfect for a day, every day, or they can look more glamorous if you put on a little bit of mascara, and they're gonna look so bomb. And of course, you have a discount code for them. I'll put the link down below. So yeah, so this is what I do. I always cut the front a little bit, not too much, and then this side here, that much. I already know how much I need to cut. Yeah, that's gonna be perfect. Look at myself like down, and then apply them, oh shit, in this way. See, this is how they're gonna stand out much more than if you apply them directly, like straight. That's not good. Okay. Okay, so I just took the baby wipe and I'm wiping away all this fallout. So today I'm testing this Hourglass Veil primer. It's actually called Mineral Primer, which is oil-free. My first time trying it. Okay, this is how much I took. I think I took too much. I'm just gonna use my hand. Ooh. Okay, okay, that's like, oh my gosh, it's like too much. Yeah, I definitely took too much. Oh my god, it looks so blue. What is this? Such a strange feeling. The smell is nothing like special. It's just normal smell. But like, I feel my skin is like so smooth. I don't know. It's strange, but in a good way. Today I'm trying out this JOUER Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation in shade Bronzed. This is a small pack version. I actually received like a full box of every shade they have. So this is like a tester. I already tried the other color the other day and it was like too yellow for me. So let's try this one. Excuse my lips, I always do that. Okay, so this foundation is definitely maybe I chose, like, I don't know, I'm actually tanned at this point, so I feel like this foundation is gonna be okay later on when I put like bronzer and everything, but for now it looks a little bit too yellow. So yeah, I definitely have to take another shade, but at this point I'm not in the mood for switching, so I'm just gonna keep going and fix that with concealer and bronzer. So don't worry, it's gonna look better than this. But as a foundation quality, I think it's amazing. See, it blends so effortlessly, makes it look like so flawless in person, like yeah, like a filter. I'm going back to my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in Custard. I'm just gonna highlight my under eyes. Now I'm taking this NYX Chestnut, Cool Chestnut Mineral Stick, which is my favorite. Contour a lot with this one. I love NYX products. They're so good, and like, it's so good and so cheap. I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit. Like that. Voila! Now I'm gonna blend. Today I wanted to do something really fresh and neutral, but when I started, like, it came up to this, so yeah. And then I'm just gonna blend the contour. See, I told you it's gonna be balanced. When I apply the concealer and the contour, immediately the foundation looks a lot different. It will look a lot different at the end. The brush I'm using is Iconic London something. It's angled. kabuki, flat kabuki brush. And as you can see, I just tap. I don't even blend that much in circular motion. I'm just like tapping, and it, you know, looks so good. It looks airbrushed. Now I'm taking the PIXI translucent powder, and I'm just gonna set my under eyes. I apply just enough to set the concealer, nothing else. I'm not gonna bake or powder. I'm not gonna bake or anything. I'm just gonna set, and that's it. Apply here and on my chin. And with the leftovers, I'm just going all around my face to set. And that's it. I'm going to take the Morphe palette. I guess this one is new. And I'm gonna take the donut shade, which is this one here. I'm just slightly going over my contour just to bronze my face a little bit more. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of powder in the middle so that I can contour the sides. And I'm taking a big fluffy brush and I'm just gonna blend. Today I'm using the L'Oreal Paradise blush. It smells so good. It's like a peachy shade. It's actually called Fantastical 191. I love to wear a lot of blush, so it's just about preferences. I feel like every time I add blush, see, it looks so much more healthier and better. Now I'm going to take this Mario Badescu facial spray and spray myself. Yeah, you know, I like that because it's just gluing my makeup to my skin. It doesn't look so powdery, it looks more natural, and it's definitely going to help with a highlight. So today I'm using the Artist Couture highlighter in shade Illuminati, the BH Cosmetics 140 brush. I told you. Moment when I look like a glazed donut. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows real quick, and I'm coming back. I'm going back to my palette, to the darkest shade. Okay. I'm literally just buffing it. So I'm using my favorite black eyeliner from Maybelline and Gigi Hadid collection. I'm gonna apply some mascara on my bottom lashes. So guys, unfortunately something happened. My lip application wasn't filmed, so I used the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in shade Bombshell. So it's a really pretty shade. It goes so nice with the eyes. This is like, I'm done. So this concludes today's makeup. I do hope that you liked it, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and be here for my next video. Bye.